I can make money every month or maybe every week. Hi, my name is Chris. I'm 32 years old. I'm a fund advisor. I want to get rich and also early retire. That's why I run investing. I find quite interesting because they have CFOS. That's why I attend VIP. The most helpful lesson is CFOS, yeah, because I can make money every month or maybe every week. That will be helpful for my cash flow. Investment is very important to all people because there's a source of income that you can take beside you working. That's why you must start investing while you are younger, or maybe you are already old. It's okay, but you need to start the investing. Actually, for the newbie one, I will recommend them to VIA.